Hi everyone and welcome back to Sonya's Prep. We have the cutest videos for today for you. The kids are all off from school. There's no summer camp yet. It's that awkward stage where there's no school, no camp, and they're so bored. So they had a very cute idea of making the Twinsies restaurants. So they invited us to come along and they're going to be treating us to some dinner. How exciting.
Date night.
Date night.
And best part, it's free.
They even made a sign, the Twinsies restaurant by Yoshua and Miriam. Let's go in.
Hello.
Hello, I will be your waiter for today.
Wow, such a handsome waiter you are.
I love
Reservations for two.
Perfect, step right this way.
Sure, thank you.
How adorbs.
Aww. That's beautiful.
Park
What's
the
on the
camera.
menu today?
You'll see. Here you go, here's the menu.
Wow.
Back in minutes.
This is their cute menu. Adorable. As we're waiting to be served our delicious meal by our children, we're going to take you back and show you exactly how they prepped it all and how they cooked all of these delicacies that we're going to be having.
I'm hungry.
The night before, Miriam and Yoshua scoured through the recipe books and my YouTube videos just to come up with the perfect menu that they could execute. So as you can see, Miriam's taking diligent notes and looking through what kind of ingredients we already have in the house.
Yoshua's cutting the avocado for the sushi. So now I'm making a kani roll. It's gonna have kani in it.
I was actually quite impressed with the amount of things that they were able to do on their own. They were just the little things that they needed help with, like knowing what a bias cut is when they were trying to cut up the cucumber. So I helped her when I got home to show her what that means, and she took over and did the rest.
Now I'm making dessert. We are going to put 2 eggs in the bowl, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a cup of oil, 1 cup of, the recipe says to put 1 cup of sugar, I'm doing a little bit less, a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a cup of flour. Mix that all in and put in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. So next was a salmon. I used over here some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and fish seasoning. You just rub it with oil. You put oil on it and you rub it. Then you put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes.
I just walked in through the door. Look at this, guys. I am so blessed and so lucky. Yoshua is making sushi. Miriam made the brownies. Let's see what else is happening. Let's see. The fish is here. We're gonna eat very, very well tonight.
Now I'm putting chili flakes on the pizza. Now I'm going to put oregano. I'm putting garlic powder. And what's a good pizza without lots of cheese? Of course, I made it.
This is the real life behind the scenes of the twinsies working in the kitchen. Look at this gorgeous pizza they made. Yoshua's about to do what? You're gonna do
Sushi.
tempura?
Yeah,
Oh my.
that's right.
There is definitely cleanup, but nonetheless, I am very impressed. There is no bomb that exploded here. What are we doing now?
I'm putting the kani. We're making kani poppers.
Kind of like tempura?
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. You guys can find this recipe on my channel. I'll link it down below. Amazing. Okay, flip it over so it can get cooked on the other side. You're doing so well.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Okay, bring it closer to the pan. Bring the whole thing closer and then drop it in. Wow, good job. Another one. Miriam, what are we doing here?
Making nachos.
Ooh la la. Look at this gorgeous cheese that they made for us.
I use some mozzarella cheese and I put the
No, we need this one. So we're using two different cheeses. I like that.
yeah.
Good job, Miriam. Miriam's putting in the salmon to cook. Good job. Miriam's setting it up.
Wow, that's really good.
Dill sushi?
You want to know? Wow, they made tempura?
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Very nice.
Should I stop stealing food?
I just combined the salad dressing into the salad. So, yeah. Remember this in the interview.
That is good. I just licked the bowl.
Kids are so cute. They actually told me, Mom, you need to get dressed up. This is going to be a date night for you and Abba. So they just sent me upstairs to get all dressed up. How adorable. Okay, I just got changed. Touching up my makeup. They are the cutest, really. So sweet. So let's come along and see everything that they prepared for us. And they worked so hard. They really did. I'm so proud of them. We've decided what we want.
Okay. Here you go.
We are ready to order.
Perfect. What would you two like?
We'll take some sushi
Perfect.
and some nachos,
Nachos.
some salad, delicious pizza with jalapenos, please.
I actually made it myself.
Amazing.
And sushi.
And send over also a delicious dessert at the end. Surprise us.
Perfect.
You want to read back our menu so we know what we ordered?
Okay. Some sushi. You got some pizza. You got a nice dessert and
Fish
fish
and nachos.
and nachos.
Don't forget the salad.
The
We
salad.
really like salad.
And the dessert. What would you like for a drink?
I'll just have some seltzer.
What about you?
Seltzer is good too.
Perfect. Enjoy. Yes, this outside is hungry.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Wow.
I know it's a little so much, but
Whoa,
I'll
wow.
help you finish it.
Wow. Please do come take a seat with us and enjoy if
Yeah.
possible.
Of course.
Okay.
My cup is dirty. Waiter!
Waiter, our cup is dirty.
Waiter!
Yes, sir.
My cup is dirty.
How dare you?
Okay, that's it.
Thank you. Yeah? Do you need help? I'm coming. Mommy to the rescue.
Oh, hello. What's your name?
Miriam.
Hello, Miriam. Thank you so much for serving us today.
No problem.
What's that?
These are nachos.
That was delicious.
Amen.
Man, Mr. and Miss, would you like a pizza now?
We need to have fish first.
Perfect. I'll go get that for you.
That's good. Look at these glorious, glorious nachos. Wow. Chef Miriam,
Yes.
the nachos are incredible.
Oh, thank you. What about my sushi?
Amazing. We love it. We can get used to this.
Mm-hmm.
I could also.
Here.
Thank you
Whoa.
so much. Thank you kindly. They even made their own. Yes, ma'am.
Your fish is ready.
Thank you, kind sir. Oh my gosh. I'm not doing so well with these chopsticks today.
Look, Connie poppers. That's amazing. You're sure? Did you fry them yourself?
Yes.
Good job.
My mother's recipe.
Wow, that's cheesy.
Waiter, I think we're ready for the next course.
Perfect. Here's your fish.
Wow. Wow, you made this?
No, actually, my sister made it. It's chef.
Miriam?
Miriam.
My twin. Here. Would you like your meat with pizza yet?
Not yet.
We need a few more minutes for the
Please
pizza.
don't rush us, okay? Thank you.
Can I take a fish place?
That was delicious.
Thank you, sir.
Sure it was. Thank you. Back in a second with your pizza.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, bring the salad first.
Oh my gosh, the salad. Did you forget about our salad?
How dare you? What's going to? Hey, Julia forgot about the salad. There you go. How dare you?
Wow.
Can I serve you?
That's delicious, thank you.
It's like my favorite dairy salads. Who made the salad?
Chef Miriam.
It's so good.
Here is your pizza.
Wow, wow.
I made it, in fact.
Wow.
That's incredible.
Mmm.
Enjoy.
Good job, Yeshua. That was beautiful.
Please come and join us.
Of course.
Enjoy your hard work. I need the pizza slicer. We have asked the chefs to dine with us because they worked so hard. That's gonna be our tip, okay? Like you're gonna be eating with us.
That's our payment to you. You get to eat. This pizza's great. I think this is a holy dough.
It is a holy dough.
Delicious.
I don't even know. I think you got it at Trader Joe's. Or where was it
Now, can
from?
you make this piece?
Middle.
Now I'm staring.
This one right here.
No, this one.
So Yoshua, how was this entire experience for you cooking for the family? Well, for mom and dad, how was it? Did you like it? Was it fun? Would you do this again?
No, it was very stressing.
Very stressful, right?
And dirty, all the noise.
Uh-huh.
Hard to.
It was hard, huh?
Yeah, but it's worth it.
It was worth it. It's
Look at
nice,
this.
right? When people give you good feedback. That
Yeah.
it was It was
Look at that pizza. Look how delicious that is.
really so good.
Oh, can I get a piece?
Yes, you may. Thank you. Miriam, would you like a piece? No, thank you. Good. Miriam, how was your experience doing this whole challenge?
It was fun, also very stressful.
It was?
Mm-hmm. I mean, I love
Why
it.
was it stressful though? Why do you think it was stressful?
Because we had to do a lot of stuff, and the kids were there, and like it was just like hard to
Right.
like do it in thinking, and the kitchen was a mess. So
Right. Did you guys want to do this yourselves or did we tell you to do it?
Yeah,
We
we
did
did
it
this
ourselves.
ourselves. Yeah.
You did.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, you did want
We
to do it
love it.
yourselves.
Very good.
We really
I would do this
appreciate it.
again, though.
You would?
yeah.
Maybe not on such a large scale because this was a lot of food you made.
How often will you guys be coming to us?
Oh my god, we would come to you every day if you would have us.
The reason why I did
We're
this is because
expensive.
Be expensive?
We're very expensive.
What inspired you to do this? Why did you do this for us?
Well, we always see our mother in the kitchen, and ever since we were little, we would always ask our mother, come if we could help out. And anytime we would, we would feel so proud of ourselves. Like, wow, this is my creation. People are eating it. People are enjoying it. It's not my first time making sushi.
That's right.
It's not my first time making any food. And the way people smile at me and tell me it's delicious, it just
Aww.
makes me
That's
want to
very
make it.
Beautiful,
sweet. Beautiful, babe. Miriam?
so the same thing what Yoshua said, but I want to add more because I've seen you cooking so much. You spent a lot of time, and it's delicious. I wanted to have a turn to make you food.
No.
Yeah.
So sweet, you guys.
And also, guys, we're gonna become more viral. We're gonna become more famous than our mom.
Oh yeah.
Guys, if this video gets 10,000 likes, then we'll consider maybe opening up another channel for the twinsies.
20,000 likes.
20,000 likes? Okay, let's see if we can get to that. 20,000 likes, and we'll do a twinsies channel. That's
right.
exciting. So if you guys like this video, then definitely give it a big thumbs up. We also have
Like
dessert
it.
come up.
Oh yeah.
Some yummy dessert that they made all from scratch.
I made them.
I made it.
So guys, what do you rate this restaurant?
How good was it? On a scale of 1 to 10.
I give it 2 thumbs up.
That's it?
I think it's amazing. You're 12 years old. You were able to do like a how many course meal? A salad, nachos, sushi, fish, pizza, and a dessert. That's amazing. I think you should be very, very proud of yourselves.
Thank you.
Like 1 to 10.
A lot
what
of
do you rate
kids would not be able to accomplish what you accomplished, and you were able to work together and not burn the house down.
I just have one question.
Yeah.
What's for breakfast?
Come again tomorrow. I mean, not that much of a journey. Just down the stairs.
Just downstairs.
it? Here's your dessert.
Here you go, madame.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's beautiful. Thank you so
Yeah, we'll
much.
join you. It looks so good.
Okay.
So this is a brownie, and they topped it with some vanilla ice cream. So cute. This is the aftermath of all the dirty dishes. Oh my gosh. But they are definitely helping to clean up.
We enjoyed every single thing that they made, and I am a very, very proud mama that they were able to accomplish it. They worked together, and being 12 years old, you know, that's not always an easy thing for children to do. They did such a good job, and I'm so proud. All the recipes will be linked in the description box. Go and check them out, and don't forget those big thumbs ups. We're waiting on them. Let's see how much we get. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.